Hey everyone, in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of Saleshandy, one of the more talked about B2B outreach platforms in 2025. Whether you're a startup founder, a sales rep, or just trying to level up your cold outreach game, I'll walk you through the key features, the pros and cons, and let you know if it's actually worth using. All right, let's dive in. So what exactly is Saleshandy? It's a cold email and outreach automation platform designed to help you connect with leads at scale without sounding like a robot. You can schedule personalized email sequences, track opens and clicks, and even manage follow-ups automatically. Think of it like your digital sales assistant that never sleeps. What I really like about Saleshandy is how clean and simple the interface is. It doesn't overwhelm you with features, but it still gives you all the tools you need. Email tracking, advanced analytics, multi-stage sequences, and A/B testing. You can even set smart triggers to stop a sequence if someone replies, which helps you avoid those awkward double emails. In terms of performance, honestly, it's been solid. Deliverability rates are strong, especially if you warm up your email domain properly. In my campaigns, I saw an average open rate of around 65% and a reply rate of 12%. Which is pretty decent for cold outreach in 2025. Plus, their email warm-up tool is now built right into the platform, which is a nice touch. But it's not all sunshine. The biggest downside? It doesn't yet have native CRM integration with some major tools. So if you're working with platforms like HubSpot or Salesforce, you might need to use a third-party connector like Zapier. Also, while the basic plans are affordable, some of the more advanced features, like team collaboration tools or unlimited campaigns, are locked behind higher-tier pricing. Still, if you're a solo founder, freelancer, or part of a lean sales team, Saleshandy offers a ton of value without the bloated price tag you get with some of the bigger players. So, final verdict? Saleshandy is one of the better cold outreach tools I've used in 2025. It's fast, focused, and effective for B2B outreach. Just be sure to pair it with good copy and a clean email list, and you'll be good to go. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that heart icon to send a super thanks. It really supports the channel. And of course, subscribe for more honest reviews like this one. Catch you in the next video.